particles let you use custom meshes to achieve the perfect effect. So let's dive into Godot. I have this scene here with some hail and I want to replace it with some burgers. Here's my burger and I want falling burgers just like in that one movie. And to do that I will make a new scene and I'll make it a 3D scene. I'll drag in the burger into my scene and I will right click on the burger and I will make it local. And the part I want is the mesh instance. It has this symbol over here and I want to make the mesh of the model into a resource. I'm gonna select the mesh and then I'm gonna hit the drop down arrow. I'm gonna make unique recursive and hit OK. And then I can save it, so I'm gonna hit the drop down arrow again and I'm gonna hit save as. And I'm gonna call this burger and I'm gonna save it. And now in my file system I can see I have a new burger.tres and that's a resource of the mesh. And now I can go back to the level and I'm gonna remove the old burger, go into the particles and on the draw paths I'm gonna remove this draw paths. And now I have my burger in my file system. I'm gonna drag it into the path 1 on the particles if it's gonna let me. For some reason Godot is freezing, so I'll try quick loading it instead. Sometimes Godot doesn't like when you're dragging things around. Oh, apparently it updated. But if you're having the same problem, I'm gonna remove the pass and I'm gonna hit the drop down arrow and hit quick load and it should show up here as well. I'm gonna select the burger and now I have falling burgers. And that's how you get the custom mesh. I want mine to be a little bit less burgers, so I'm gonna make it 100. I'm gonna make the size a lot bigger. So let's see if this is better. And right now my hamburgers are falling on the side, so I'm gonna change the rotation of them. I'm gonna rotate the X 90. Yeah, that's it, minus 90. And now they're falling on the right direction. Now we have falling hamburgers, 3000 burgers falling from the sky. You can barely even tell that it's burgers anymore. That's crazy. And now we have falling burgers from the sky. And I can even walk into the burgers and push them around. It's better when they're small, because when they're this big, it's hard to push them around. Thanks for watching and special thanks to my members. For source code, custom videos or coaching, check out my Ko-Fi and I'll see you in the next one.